guys, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to learn a paradiddle. You might be saying a what? A paradiddle. A paradiddle can also be called a paddle and roll, or as I learned it, a scuffle, step, heel. But whatever you call it, just know that it's a step that's a lot of fun, and once you learn it today, I bet you'll be hooked and will find yourself doing it all the time. Now remember to stay tuned until the end of the video because we're going to put the paradiddle into a little combination to music, and we're even going to speed it up a little bit. I promise it's going to be a ton of fun. Let's learn the paradiddle. A paradiddle consists of 4 steps: a heel dig, a spank, a step, and a heel drop. To the side, that is heel dig, spank, step, heel drop. So you've already learned a combination of 2 moves called a scuffle. That's a heel dig and a spank. That can also be called a paddle. It really depends on what your teacher prefers. So when I learned the paradiddle, I learned it as a scuffle, step, heel. Scuffle, step, heel. Scuffle, step, heel. To the back. Scuffle, step, heel. Scuffle, step, heel. But again, it can be called a paradiddle. It can be called a paddle and roll, scuffle, step, heel. I'm sure there are other words for it as well. So let's try the paradiddle first on the right foot and then on the left foot very slowly. 5, 6, 7, 8. Paradiddle, paradiddle. I'm going to do that to the side. 5, 6, 7, 8. Paradiddle, paradiddle. Great, so practice those until you feel kind of comfortable with them, and then let's start learning the combination. And by the way, if you've just happened on this video and you have never taught before and this seems a little too advanced for you already, don't worry about it. Go ahead and check out the first few videos in my beginning tap tutorial series. I'll put those here. And you will learn the scuffle, the shuffle, the step, the heel drop, everything that you're going to need to know in order to do the paradiddle. Okay, we are going to start the combination on the right foot. We are going to do 3 paradiddles and 2 ball changes, like this. Paradiddle, 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 ball change, ball change. Now your left foot is ready. You're going to do the exact same thing again. Paradiddle, 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 ball change, ball change. The final time, it's going to be a little bit different. We are going to do paradiddle, 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 but instead of the 2 ball changes, we're going to do a step, step. So that is the first round. The second round is going to vary a little bit, but it's going to be faster. So let's practice it a little bit faster. We're going to do paradiddle, 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 ball change, on the other foot. Paradiddle, 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 ball change, ball change. We're going to repeat it again on the right foot and again the entire thing on the left foot. This time we are not going to step. We're going to do the 2 ball changes. So let's try it a little bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. Paradiddle, 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 ball change, ball change. Again, repeat the whole thing. Ball change, paradiddle, 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 ball change, ball change. We are going to end the combination with 8 paradiddles, just going backwards and forwards at this faster pace. 5, 6, 7, 8. Paradiddle, 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 paradiddle. In the video, I will speed it up a little bit, and you are welcome to try to match my speed or go faster or go slower. Just make sure you're getting in all of those sounds. All right, let's go through the entire thing one more time without music, and then we'll do it to music. Starting with the right foot, slowly. 5, 6, 7, 8. Paradiddle, paradiddle, paradiddle. Ball change, ball change. On the left. Ball change on the right. Remember, this time we're not going to do a ball change. We're doing a step. Now we're going to speed it up. 5, 6, 7, 8. Paradiddle, paradiddle, paradiddle. Ball change, ball change. Repeat the whole thing again. Now 8 in a row. Just get used to that rolling feeling in your feet and in your body. And then you can speed it up if you'd like, or slow it back down. Whatever you feel comfortable with and whatever allows you to hear all of the sounds. Okay guys, let's try it with music. 5, 6, 7, 8. Great job, you guys. Now for those of you who found this step to be a little bit easy, go ahead and start to speed it up a little bit more and a little bit more and a little bit more. Just make sure you're not missing any of the sounds. And if this step was a little bit too difficult for you, no worries at all. You might want to start with some other videos in the beginning tap tutorial series. Please do me a huge favor by hitting that subscribe button below, giving me a thumbs up, and make sure to comment below and let me know what you think about the videos. Thanks guys, see you soon.